Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to explore the top 5 most enigmatic signals from space. Are they alien communications or natural phenomena? Let's find out. Space signals or radio signals are detected by our telescopes and often leave scientists scratching their heads. Are they natural occurrences or are we receiving messages from extraterrestrial beings? Let's explore some of the most mysterious signals we discovered. Signalun, the wow signal. Few events have caught the imagination and more thoroughly perplexed scientists than the wow signal in the history of space travel and the search for alien intelligence. The wow signal was a mysterious radio wave burst first observed on August 15, 1977, by the Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope in the constellation Sagittarius, which is roughly 220 million light-years away. Jerry R. Inman, one of the astronomers who discovered the signal, was so taken aback by its rarity and uniqueness that he circled it on the data printout and scribbled "wow" in red ink to forever associate the phenomena with awe. The nature of the wow signal makes it difficult to explain. The 72-second radio transmission was quite powerful, but it was cut short. Its 1420 MHz frequency matched that of hydrogen's natural emission line, another essential component of space. Since hydrogen is the most common element, this led some to speculate that it was created artificially and that an advanced alien culture was utilizing it as a cosmic signal. Due to the fleeting nature of the signal, attempts to identify its repetition were fruitless and further study was therefore rendered impossible. The data was analyzed by scientists looking for terrestrial interference, satellite transmissions, and extraterrestrial origins. However, a convincing explanation never materialized, and the nature of the wow signal remains unknown. Over the years, the wow signal has been the topic of various discussions and has inspired the creation of increasingly advanced radio telescopes and detection methods. The fact that no modulation or encoding could be detected in a spectrum analysis just adds to the mystery surrounding it. Possible explanations range from the signal being generated by comets or asteroids to an unknown natural cosmic event to, at the far end of the spectrum, a message from an extraterrestrial civilization. Signal 2. Fast radio bursts. Since their discovery in 2007, astronomers have been perplexed by the mysterious nature of fast radio bursts, FRBs. These transient signals are powerful but short-lived bursts of radiation that burst into the radio range of the electromagnetic spectrum. For as short-lived as FRBs are, they have had a significant impact on the scientific community, setting off a wave of new interest and investigation. FRBs normally last for only milliseconds, yet within that brief time they can unleash an incredible amount of energy. Their mysterious beginnings and unpredictable behavior make them difficult observation targets. These explosions have the potential to originate billions of light-years distant and travel immense cosmic distances before they are detected by our telescopes. Finding their origin needs real-time cooperation between a vast array of observatories and radio telescopes. Many different sources have been proposed as the origin of FRBs, including neutron star mergers and collapse, as well as the distant flares of magnetars, highly magnetic and compact stellar remnants. Even more remarkable is the fact that some FRBs have a repeating nature, punctuating the cosmos with repeated bursts from the same location. As a result of this pattern, we may begin to wonder if we are living amid an alien society or experiencing a catastrophic event of epic proportions. Research into FRBs goes beyond the bounds of classical astrophysics and into the realms of fundamental physics and cosmology. Researchers have used machine learning algorithms to filter through mountains of data to categorize and understand the mechanisms at work in these puzzling signals. The implications of deciphering FRBs are far-reaching, with possible uses ranging from testing the rules of physics to exploring the cosmic web and learning more about the enigmatic dark matter. Signal 3. Repeating signals every 16 days. The enigmatic radio signals from space that originated 500 million light-years away have been analyzed, and the results have shown a pattern. Repeating fast radio bursts, FRBs, are short bursts of radio waves that transmit energizing waves numerous times. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, are a type of electromagnetic radiation. There was a sequence of bursts that happened every 16.35 days between September 2018 and October 2019. with the bursts being released every few hours for 4 days. And then there was silence for 12 days. The signal, which was identified as FRB 180,916, J0 158 plus 65, was followed back to a large spiral galaxy. This recurrent FRB conundrum becomes more perplexing as a result of the fact that its source is distinct from those of prior ones, such as FRB 121,102, which was associated with a dwarf galaxy, and FRB 180,916, which was tied to a galaxy that resembled the Milky Way. Researchers have hypothesized that this phenomenon may have been caused by several factors, including the orbital motion of a star or a neutron star, as well as an early OB-type star binary system. If FRBs can be understood, we might be able to gain some insight into the distribution of matter throughout the cosmos. In the future, observations may reveal whether or if other FRBs repeat at the same intervals and follow the same patterns. Signal 4. Mysterious energy bursts. Mysterious energy bursts are a new and baffling occurrence in the cosmos that has experts all over the world excited and puzzled. These mysterious discharges appear out of nowhere and have scientists baffled because they can't be explained using standard astrophysical theory. The energy bursts were initially spotted on a cool fall morning, shining briefly but brightly across the radio frequency spectrum. Telescopic observations have not been able to identify a single progenitor, therefore their beginnings will remain a mystery. Clusters of these bursts appear out of nowhere, puzzling even the most experienced astronomers with their unpredictable behavior and prompting the question of whether or not they are cosmic flukes or the unveiling of a previously unknown facet of the cosmos. It's mind-boggling to think about the complexity of the bursts. According to preliminary research, their radio waves are polarized, which is an unusual trait for cosmic events to have. The idea of novel astrophysical processes, or possibly the hand of an elusive extraterrestrial intelligence, has left astrophysicists scratching their heads. The enigmatic bursts continue to resist simple classification, despite experts' best efforts to identify trends and uncover hidden insights within the limited data. Others say that they result from the violent collisions of black holes, while still others think they are produced by the interaction of dark matter and its hypothetical particle counterparts. With conversations that swing between enthusiasm and trepidation, the tension in the scientific community is evident. What might be the effects of these energy bursts on our concept of the universe, time, and reality itself? Is their significance limited to being a passing cosmic curiosity, or do they herald a fundamental revolution in astrophysical paradigms? Scientists are unfazed by the difficulty of their quest for knowledge. They are armed with state-of-the-art equipment and driven by voracious curiosity. Signal 5. The unexpected signal. The mysterious signal that was detected in space is thought to have originated from a relatively nearby galaxy. The signal, which has been given the designation of FRB 20,200,120e, is a repeated fast radio burst, FRB, and its origin has been pinpointed as coming from the general direction of the galaxy M81, which is around 11.74 million light-years away. If the findings are verified, this FRB would be the extragalactic one that is 40 times closer to our galaxy than the one that has now held the title. Because FRBs are normally connected with high-mass, core-collapsing supernovas, the fact that the signal appears to be associated with a globular cluster has scientists perplexed. This is because it is unexpected, as FRBs are typically tied to these types of events. However, experts are proposing that the FRB might have originated from a highly magnetic neutron star generated through a variety of situations, such as the accretion-induced collapse of a white dwarf or the merger of compact stars in a binary system, both of which could occur within globular clusters. Both of these theories are possible, although there is not enough data to confirm it. Another hypothesis is that the source of the light was a rapidly spinning black hole. The signal, which was picked up in the year 2021, was spotted by a 70-meter dish belonging to the NASA Deep Space Network, DESN. From the wow signal to unexpected energy bursts, these mysterious signals from space continue to baffle us. Are they natural phenomena, or are we on the cusp of discovering alien life? Until we know for sure, all we can do is keep listening to the stars. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.